My ambition was ruining my life. So I've been an entrepreneur for 2 years now, full time. And I think more and more recently, I've realized that I am actually not good at problem solving. And what I mean by that is I am good at recognizing the problem, thinking about ideas around the problem, and then I just kind of move on, which isn't very good, which leads to me looking back. I'm like, oh, there's still so many problems. And I think a large part of that is constantly consuming more and more information because novelty, right? It feels better to consume more information, feels more productive. I think it's kind of realizing that and then having control over it. So now I'm going back and I'm reading so many older books and videos that I've watched already, including sleep, for example. I'm like, I haven't had a good sleep schedule in a very long time. It's like watching these videos over and over again so that I can fully understand it, so that I can implement it instead of masturbating in my head about all of these new ideas I have and everything like that. I think it makes you feel good, but when you're looking back at it, it doesn't actually move the needle. That was a very big trap I kind of fell into with the excess amount of information out there, right? So, actionable things you can take away is like unsubscribe to YouTubers that are like productivity that you watch, because what's the point, right? The way I do things now is like I go do something, I run into a problem, and then I go on YouTube and I search up how it is, and then I go back and I implement. And then I might watch the YouTube video a few times, I might read a book on it, read the book a few times, listen to podcasts a few times, and that's so boring, right? No one wants to hear that answer. But it's been working a lot better in my life. Bah,